is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. During this time that a lot of America, well, a lot of the world is staying home, we had to stock up, and now that we're stocked up on food, we need to stay home and hunker down, but we also need to conserve. So one of the things that was hard to buy at the store because it was bought out at some stores was meat. So when I did find meat, I chose to buy meat patties instead of just one big chunk of meat. My reason for doing this is because these are 6 separate beef patties. Now, we're not going to use these like we normally would as hamburgers. We're going to use this as meat for spaghetti, because I was able to get, from Dollar Tree, I got like 6 cans of spaghetti sauce. At Walmart, I was able to get 6 packages of spaghetti noodles, but really, and we can put vegetables in there if we want to, but really the thing that gets my family to eat it is having some meat in there. We are carnivores in this house. So these are frozen, and they come in the package with just a piece of tissue paper between them, basically, so they're stuck together. So I had a bright idea of, I'm going to pry the meat patties apart using this knife, and then I'm going to use these plastic lids. I save these for crafts. These are actually lids from, from formula or from cream cheese or whatever. I save the lids for doing crafts because this plastic, it comes in handy. Reduce, reuse, recycle, reusing. So my idea is I'm going to open this up and put break the patties apart from each other and put these in the middle. And I thought, you know what, I might make a video and share my ideas because maybe you guys could use a helpful idea. All right. Wait a second, VIP Kid teachers, don't throw that box away when you can get some free props already printed on cardboard, brightly colored, save some ink. You can hold this up as a hamburger prop. There are 3 on this box. There was 1 on the front, 2 on the sides. And so, save some cardboard from being thrown away, save this little sign for your bag, put it in your bag so you know what is that in the bag, right? And then you can throw this part of the box away. You can flatten it out to save space in your bag. And yeah, so I'm still working on this project. But actually these weren't stuck together as much as they normally are. So, and as I was doing this, I realized that these patties actually have cheese and bacon in them. So we've never had that kind before, but I'm thinking, hey, God knew it's going to add some extra flavoring to our spaghetti to get our kids to eat it. So that's good, Anyway, this is my project. So another thing my mom always did was rewash and reuse these bags. You're not going to be able to go to the store to waste your money to buy more Ziploc bags. Me as an adult, I don't even buy Ziploc bags ever, hardly. So I happen to have a few of these around, so I rinsed them out and reused one. But reuse these because you're going to save the environment, save your money, and save going out of the house to reuse these Ziploc bags. There you have it. It is in the freezer. And now I have props and these plastic lids that I used. After I use them with the meat, they can still be washed with hot soap and water and used for a craft later. I use these a lot of times for making Christmas ornaments. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I think this might become a series, just doing things around the house and around the kitchen during this time that all of us are at home. Have a good day.